Now, let us solve few questions on finding volume. You can see the first question given here, and the object you can see with dimensions length. I will write the length, breadth and height of the object. Here you can see length given as 5 centimeter, breadth is given as 2 centimeter and height is given 1 centimeter. Now, what is the shape given here? What is the solid here? This is cuboid. So we will write here volume of a cuboid, which is equal to length into breadth into height. So how much is the length? 5 and multiply by 2 multiply by 1. So 5 2s are 10, 1s are 10 centimeter cube. This can be also written as 10 cubic centimeter. Right? Now coming to the next question, first we will write the dimensions. If dimensions are of the same unit, you don't have any problem, right? But if the dimensions are not same, then we need to convert either all the dimensions should be in meters or all the dimensions should be in centimeter. Here you can see the length, breadth and height of the object, that is 8 each. That is, the shape is a cube. Okay. So here cubical shape, you can write volume of a cube, and here you can write it as either length cube, that is length into length into length, or you can write it as breadth into breadth into breadth, or you can write it as height into height into height, or you can write it as side into side into side. Okay. Now here, how much is the side given? 8 each. So 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. So how much is it? It is 512 cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. Right? Here it's written. Now see question number 3. Again, I will write the dimensions of the object given here. So how much is the length here? Length is given as 8 centimeter. Breadth is given as 3 centimeter. And height is given as 6 centimeter. So we will write volume of the cuboid, that is equal to length into breadth into height. So you will have as 8 into 3 into 6. Okay. Now you need to multiply all the 3 dimensions, that is you can multiply 6 3s are. So very well, here you can make a rough column, and in rough column you can go with the calculation part. So 8 3s are, that is 24, and 24 into 6 you need to multiply. So you will have 6 4s are 24 and 6 2s are 12 and 2, that is 14. So here you have 144 cubic centimeter, or you can write it as 144 centimeter cube. Right? Now coming to this question, let's see the dimensions. Length is 8 centimeter. Breadth is given as 4 centimeter and height is given again as 4 centimeter. So we will write volume of a cuboid, that is equal to length into breadth into height, that is 8 into 4 into 4. So what is 8 4s are? 8 4s are 32 multiplied by 4. So you will have it as 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So 128 cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. Now let us solve few more questions. Here you can see the first question given as length, breadth and height given as 14, 8, and 7. So I will write here dimensions. Length is equal to 14 centimeter. Breadth is given as 8 centimeter. Height is given as 7 centimeter. Correct? Now, volume of a cuboid, that is equal to length into breadth into height. So you will have the values as 14 into 8 into 7. Okay, here you will make the rough column. So let this be the rough column and here we will multiply. Suppose here 8 sevens are, when you do it, 8 sevens are is 56. So that is you have 14, okay, 14 into 56. So here 6 fours are 24, 6 ones are 6 and 2 8, and you have 14 fives are 70. That is here you have the answer as 784 cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. Right? Now let us solve question number B. Here length is given as 8 meter, breadth is given 5 meter, height is not given, so question mark, and volume is given as 360 cubic meter, or you can write it as meter cube. Now we will write the formula for volume of a cuboid. So what is the formula? Length into breadth into height. So now how much is the length? 8 meter, breadth is 5 meter, height as it is, and volume is given as 360. So this is your 360. Fine. Now this is 360 is equal to 8 5s are, that is 40, multiply by h, that is 40h. Now this is your multiplicative term, that is 40 multiplied by h. When you bring it to the other side, multiplication terms goes to the denominator. So here 40 goes to the denominator and 360 is the numerator. Right? So this 0 0 will go away. 36 divided by 4, that is 4 9s are 36. So this becomes your 9 meter. Right? Now see here. Suppose somebody has done the question like this. After this step, they have made the subject as h, and with h you know the multiplicative term given as 8 and 5. So you can write 8 and 5 is in the denominator. Numerator is 360. Right? Now we will divide numerator term with one of the terms given in the denominator. So let's see here, both the numbers are divisible by 5 also and 8 also. Okay, so let me divide it by 5. So 5 ones are 5 and you will have 5 sevens are 35. So 36 minus 35 is 1. You will bring down 0, 10. So 5 twos are 10. And you will have this as 8 ones are 8 and 8 nines are 72. So again you know that answer is 9 meter only. Okay, whatever you do, whatever the way you calculate the things, your answer will be one and the same. So here I will write the answer as 9 meter. Right? Let's try out C question. So first we will write the dimensions. Length is not given. So length is your question mark. Breadth is given as 6 millimeters. Height is given as 15 millimeters. And volume is given as 630 cubic millimeter, or you can write it as millimeter cube. Now we will write the formula for volume of a cuboid, and you know the formula, that is length into breadth into height. Okay, let's substitute the values. Length is not given, so length as it is. Breadth is given 6 millimeters and height is given 15 millimeters, so 15, and volume is given as 630. Now this is your L, Now with L, what is given? 6 and 15. That goes to the denominator 6 and 15. Right? And the numerator is 630. Now 630 and 6, both the numbers are divisible by 6. So I have 6 ones are 6. Then here you will have 6 ones are 6 and 0 will be there, and 6 5s are 30. Right? Now 15 and 105. So both the numbers are divisible by 5. So you may have done like this: 5 3s are 15, then 5 2s are 10, and 5 1s are 5. Now the numbers are divisible by 3. So you will have 3 1s are 3 and 3 7s are 21. So you will have L is equal to 7 millimeters. Right? And then you will fill up in the box how much is the length, that is 7 millimeters. Right? Now read this question. Find the volume of the fish tank and also find the capacity of the water tank in liters. Fine. You can see the dimensions given as: length is given as 18 meter, breadth is given as 4 meter, and height is given as 6 meters. Okay, now here we will write the formula for volume of a cuboidal tank. So here, volume of a cuboidal tank. What is the formula? That is length into breadth into height. So here, length into breadth into height. We will substitute the values. So here you have 18 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6. You can make a rough column over here. So let me make a rough column. So what is the calculation you need to do? That is, here I will write this is your rough column. And you need to multiply 18, and this is 6 4s are 24. So these two numbers you need to multiply. 18 4s are 72, 18 2s are 36, and you have 2, 6 and 7 is 13. And you will have 432. So this is 432 meter cube. Right? Now you are asked to find the capacity of the water tank in liters. Now 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Now how many meter cube you have? That is 432 meter cube is how much? So this will be multiplied by 1000. So 432 multiplied by 1000 liters. So your answer is 432,000 liters. Right?